welcome. And I am so happy that it is finally day. Like saving time. It's gonna be light out. Light out. We outside and the lights is the lights is gonna be on when we're outside. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna be doing a Sunday reset, and I don't know how much resetting I'm gonna do because I still need to do my schoolwork, but I'm gonna try to do my best. So I just went through a whole rant experiment with trying to record on my tablet, and it was not given. Like, the camera quality is just, but I'm recording my phone, and the issue was because I don't have an official camera, but I don't need an official camera because you pay all these money for these little phone thingamajiggies, and that's your camera. Like, use what you have. So I was trying to use what I had, and it humbled me real quick because the camera quality was not there. And realistically, I don't want to go on a rant about this, but realistically, the camera quality should be good. Anything I feel like you pay $300 or more, your camera quality should be there. It had a 4K mode. It was not doing what it was supposed to be doing. But anyway, the reason why I had this problem was because I wanted to listen to music and I wanted to record. Yet I cannot record and listen to music while I'm on my iPhone. So there's the problem. finally got finished cleaning the bathroom. I think it took me about maybe 2 hours. I don't know if it took me longer because I'm trying to film, but this little itty bitty baby bathroom, I don't see how people be cleaning every day because realistically, no. So I'm just glad it's done. I wish it was smelling a little bit more fragrancy, but I don't have all of my cleaning products that I like. I like a lemony scent. Like, oh my gosh, a lemon scent in a bathroom, in a kitchen. Chef's kiss, even though we're not cooking in the bathroom. But anyway, a lemon scent in the bathroom is top tier. I do have these air fresheners, and my mother, she was saying that maybe I just use too many like scents, and that's why I no longer can smell it, because when she comes in, she can smell it. And like when I come and walk past certain areas of my home, I can smell it too, but like I'm gonna smell it every time, okay? Like, I'm paying for it, I'm plugging it in, it's using the electricity. I don't want to smell it every time. But thank you for watching. This is gonna be a part of my Sunday reset. The other part will be something else, I guess. I don't know. Bye for now.